Your 6.2 Denali is already packing serious V8 muscle, but the stock intake is leaving power on the table with a restrictive airbox and tubing. Cold air means more horsepower, better throttle response, and a sound that actually matches the engine. Links are in the video description. Let's get into it. Kicking things off at number 5, we've got the AIF Power Momentum GT. Sleek one-piece sealed cross-linked polyethylene housing with design cues inspired by the truck's modernized headlights. This thing actually looks good under the hood. The 5-layer Pro 5R oiled cotton gauze filter delivers maximum airflow in a 360-degree radial flow design. Built-in clear sight window for filter inspection without disassembly. Fewer parts, faster install. Bellows coupling for a secure seal. Not carb exempt, not available in California. Moving on to number 4, say hello to the S&B Cold Air Intake. 52% better airflow than stock with a 99% efficiency rating. Fully enclosed airbox keeps engine heat out and the filter protected. New snap-in lid design means filter inspection takes seconds with no screws. MAF harness extension included for further airflow improvement. All silicone components handle temperatures up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit without cracking. Available in cotton, cleanable, or dry extendable media. Sliding into number 3, check out the AIF Power Magnum Force Stage 2. Dyno-proven gains of up to 14 horsepower and 19 pound-feet of torque, with 22% better airflow over stock. Open element design delivers an aggressive induction sound under load and makes filter maintenance dead simple. 5-layer Pro 5R oiled cotton filter, dyno-tuned intake tube, factory mounting locations, zero cutting or drilling. Not carb exempt. Dropping into number 2, meet the K&N NextGen Cold Air Intake. 31% airflow increase over stock, with dyno-proven gains of 19 horsepower at 5,000 revolutions per minute and 19 pound-feet of torque, no tune required. The hybrid NextGen airbox lowers intake temps, while the quick-lock filter snaps in with just one hose clamp. Oiled cotton gauze filter lasts up to 100,000 miles. Installs in under 60 minutes, lifetime limited warranty. Engineered in the USA, not legal in California. And coming in at number 1, the Cold Air Induction System, earning that top spot all day. Thermal-coated intake tube, aluminum airbox with a clear inspection window, high-performance air filter, and inlet duct. A complete system designed to boost power and improve fuel efficiency at the same time. Built specifically for the 6.2 V8. Immediate performance results right after install, with no long setup. Simple installation with all instructions included. Best complete package on this list. And that is your top 5 cold air intakes for the 6.2 Denali. Every link is in the video description. Go find the one that fits your build. If this video helped, smash that subscribe button and stay with the crew. More content is on the way. Catch you in the next one.